าแม่เพิ่นไปกินข้าวเนาะอยู่ใช่ก็ไอโคโลนาโดเพิ่นไปเบิ่งว่าอาหารเป็นอยู่ทางได้อยู่แคมป์ทะเล
So we're taking out the girl, the young girl back there. Taking her out to an Italian restaurant. See downtown? You can see downtown right there, see it? You got this island and up front, and that's a Pacific Ocean. It's not a bay. It's a part of the ocean.
Turn left into the parking lot, then arrive at your destination.
El Final's right here. There. This is the one that we were supposed to turn earlier. Oh, perfect timing. 6 o'clock round the dot. We can spend some time
That's right.
drinking at the bar, get a little buzz.
Arrive at Il Fornaio.
El Fornaio? It's Italian. El Fornaio. Oh, my car. My car. I'm gonna get you off here first, okay? And then I'll get you off. Let's grab onto this. Let's grab onto this so you will fall.
Okay.
มื้อนี้เนาะลูกไผ่เพิ่นพาแม่ย่ามากินข้าว
พาแม่ย่ามากินข้าว อยู่แคมป์ทะเล
ที่แคมป์ทะเลบักมื้อมื้อรอบๆเนาะwe're lucky to have Vinny with us today too.
Happy Friday.
Yeah.
The boat.
You see the boat go by, the sailboat go by.
See that? Over there. Oh. You see that?
เพิ่นบ่เคยมาเนาะเพิ่นบ่เคยมาเห็นตลาดทะเลPacific ที่เที่ยวสุดดีใจ
Where?
Yeah, big sailboat.
Because big view is daytime too.
Daytime best shot. Yeah. ซื้ออันนี้ให้เพิ่นพอเพิ่นบ่ได้ยินดีปานใดเนาะ Take a look over here a little bit. There you go. Oh, look at that. There you go. Okay, good job. This is today's special. Who's that? This is Bacino. I have no idea what it is.
Food is okay. See the vegetable and roasting.
See the bridge that we came over? See that?
Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah. And over here.
So nice.
Look, over there, right there. Convention Center. This is where they have all the big convention here. Convention Center. See it? Can you hear? Can you hear? I think you want to turn it up. I can turn it up. Good. Wow, I'm so happy. Watch it crazy.
They work, but that's
Yeah, yeah. Well, but for the price, good. For the
very expensive.
for the price is good. It's better than I think.
3,000 is good.
Right.
I usually get my first couple
Yeah,
of
but
days.
still. But this one here, better
Look
than
at
that.
that. What were they? Really 90? 90 each or 92?
Per pound, that's it.
Oh, well, that's
$80,
better.
$79 plus tax and this and that. Come out to be about $85, $90. See, this is so good.
เดี๋ยวเขาเจ้าก็มา
I think they have more. Look at this side too. This is a special. look at me too. You know, she keep calling me funny face. All my life, I thought my face was funny. You can take our order after this, so we can put that.
Definitely. Actually, right now it's a little bit slower than we usually are for a Friday.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I think by like this time, we would pretty much have like the middle section full, and then everything else will like be here and there.
Hopefully it picks back up during the holidays.
Hopefully. Oh, definitely like mid-November to like the end of the year is when things really pick up, just because everybody's trying to go out with their family.
Okay, that's my class. That's her.
Yeah.
Okay, this is mine. No, this is yours. Okay, that's yours.
Right here for you.
Thank you.
And you guys.
How's your wine? Good wine? Yeah. ผมตกใจเพิ่นนั่นเพิ่นว่ามันแพง ว่าแต่จะให้เพิ่นกินแซ่บเนาะพาเพิ่นมากิน so what do you got there? Look, you got your drink now? You got
Have La Botanica. It's a gin.
Okay.
Cheers. Can't even hold the cup. Cheers.
Okay.
Weird cup.
Yeah.
It's good. Refreshing.
It's a James Bond's cup. Glass.
With the
Brussels sprout. Sato right here. Yeah. This is yours. Look at that. Salmon. We need bigger cake.
What are you doing?
He's taking
We need Mario, is that for you?
just look at me.
What are you doing?
Okay, we can,
Would you like me to take any, please?
yes, please. Take it.
All good?
Oh yes, good.
Oh, look at
idea.
that. This is the first, this is appetizer we have here. Look at that. Wow.
That's a good idea. That's nice, Caroline.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Go ahead. Children care, so they help unfortunate kids, orphanage, you know, all those things. So the thing is that I already have heard, so they don't have to go out and look for a foster home for me. Wow, the food is here. Look at this. This is short rib, braised short rib with root vegetable. And we have cheese appetizer, that's a good too. And we have salmon. And I got mine, look, this is what I got. Got a little linguine. Seafood linguine. And here we have got some Brussels sprout.
fried Brussels sprouts.
ผักกะหล่ำปีน้อยเนาะเป็นอะไรแซ่บบ่นะ
แซ่บเนาะ
แซ่บบ่
ปลาแซลมอน
Some of the agency.
Foster care agency.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
They were very,
So,
very good.
and they were dealing with a lot with the American kids.
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese.
Mostly Vietnamese.
Yeah. I think I'm the
From
only.
the war?
Yeah. So I'm the only. Me and me only Laotian kid. The rest of us all Vietnamese.
Right.
นี่นะของว่างเราของแก้มนี่แอบครับเราอัพทานคือเรากุ้งปลาหมึกเนอะว้าว
ขอบไว้
What's that like? Really good. That's right.
Good, Billy.
Bad.
แซ่บบ่กินอาหารมาอีกเนาะแซ่บแน่ๆวันนะโอ้ย There's a hippie at our table.
ดมอันน่ะดมบ้านเมื่อกี้จับหัวเลย
Yeah. So we came a long way from New York.
Came a long way from St. Peter.
Yes, from St. Louis. Yeah.
And it's back to Mrs. Meyer.
You know, I was
You guys doing okay over here? Everything
good.
tasting
Thank
good?
you. So I was because you know I got help from some Vincent with
วี
แม่เพิ่นน้อยใจเพิ่นว่าแพงโพดบ่ต้องน้อยใจว่าได้มันเลี้ยงเฮามาแต่น้อยเนาะมื้อนี้เฮาก็มาเลี้ยงแม่เพิ่นจนนั่นก็พาเพิ่นมากินข้าว You know I can't see so you know I want her to be happy I want her to have the most delicious food that she can eat right now so I'm happy to have her
มันจะได้อาหารแซ่บบ่
แซ่บหลายเห็นแม่เพิ่นดีใจก็ดีใจล่ะ
แซ่บอาหารอิ่มใจนำเนาะ
Yeah, see? People want to know how my mother feels. I told them that. It feels wonderful. See? เห็นข้าวอิ่มแล้วพันหนามุนเนาะใส่หน้ากากกันอย่างออกมา So now we got here 6 o'clock, so we have really nice dinner, and now we gonna head back to the 9-star hotel. 10-star hotel.
10-star hotel.
You enjoy your dinner?
Yes.
I'm glad. Okay, let's go home.
วีโอเค
Let's go. Let's keep walking. It's a video, so we don't have to stop. Wait, I gotta take my mask. I can't breathe. Hey!
แม่เพิ่นก็เท่าไล่แล้วเนาะเพิ่นก็ดีใจไล่มื้อนี้นะเพิ่นได้มาพาเพิ่นมา
Careful, okay? Watch your head. Yeah. Okay now?
Yes.
I'll put this on the other side.
Oh, I can take it now.
Sure.แซ่บหลายมื้อนี้นะ กินข้าวแซ่บหลายแม่เพิ่นดีใจที่ว่าเห็นแม่เพิ่นมีความสุข I'm happy. I see my mother happy. I'm really happy. ได้มีโอกาส I have chance to take care of her tiny bit, but I'm happy. So you doing okay back there? Now we're at the 9-star hotel.